Hey everybody, and today we're going to be looking at this pressure washer that we got out of the trash with the big free sign, and it also had this Black & Decker Edgehog 2-in-1 landscaping edger. Ooh. G Junior, why don't you get a extension cord out and we'll go ahead and we'll start with the edger. It has been used. There's the blade. I do not believe it's been used very much. But we are going to go ahead and G Junior is going to plug it in. I don't know if you can use that plug because it's rectangular and it won't get in there. You're gonna have to probably go. Did you get it?
I think this is bent.
Let's see. Let me see. It's not bent, it's just too big to fit in there. You're gonna have to get another extension cord. Get another extension cord. All right, well, while he takes and goes gets another extension cord, let's go over the pressure washer real quick. It's a Power Stroke trademark. I thought Ford or International would have the trademark on that, but I don't know. It's a 2600 PSI, 2.3 gallons per minute, and of course, all the jets for the wand are missing. But there is the red one in there, which is the worst one. 0 degree. I'd like to have like a 25 degree. All right, so he is. Did you find a cord?
Yeah, I gotta plug it back in the garage.
All right, a cord into a cord into a cord. All right, here you go. I'm gonna pull this. There's got to be a safety on it, so. Oh, there you go.
No safety.
No safety.
Nothing. Just an on.
Okay. All right, well, give it a go. Here, hit it. Alrighty, well, obviously there is absolutely nothing wrong with the Black & Decker electric edger. Should we take it out front and give it a try, or should that's good enough for now?
I think that's good enough for now.
All right, well, we're going to put this aside and we're going to go ahead and get the pressure washer. I guess we'll go ahead and put the pressure washer up on the bench here. So let's get it up on the bench and we'll be right back. All right, we got it up on the bench. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and check the oil on it. The oil's right over here. It appears to have oil in. Go ahead and wipe that rag off. I mean, wipe the stick off with that rag. Excuse me. Okay, let's do that. And yes, it has plenty of oil. Actually looks pretty clean. I did notice that it's got a repair tag on it from Appliance Fix It since 1958.
They got one over here.
And then they have the, yeah, then they have one of their advertisements here. So let's go ahead and lose the famous free tag. We'll just set this over here on the free grill that we got. All right, so oil's good.
Let's take a look.
Look at that, brand new air filter. Made in China.
Okay,
So,
it's not original Honda.
that's all right.
That's okay.
You know, I think you go ahead and disconnect that, and let's pull that out of there.
I think you gotta untangle the
There we
hose.
go.
There we
All right. Now you might be able to get that air filter back in. There you go. Flip it. Now we have not tried to start this machine at all. I put the hammer behind the wheel so it stops rolling away. There we go. Once you walk around and get the hose out of here, and let's get us take a look at the gas that's in here. All right. It does have gas in there. It smells like gas, but it smells very weak. So here, grab the camera for a second. All right, so I just happen to have a broken off tube to something. I don't know what it's to, but we're gonna go ahead and get in here, and I'm gonna pinch it off, and we'll see if we can get a fuel sample. Well, it doesn't look bad. We need to cut this. Do we have a, oh, I've got a knife right here. Cut that off so you can All right, so now maybe the gasoline will flow up the hose. So just like a straw, I'll put my thumb over the end and we'll pull some fuel out. Okay, well the fuel looks pretty good. Look at it. It's really clean, but it doesn't smell.
No water in it, right?
Well, it's kind of hard to tell.
No.
It just smells very, very weak. But you know something? Let's go ahead and try to start. I wonder if you could, you think it's okay to start this thing up with no water going to it?
I don't think so.
Do you think we should take and have pull trigger to wash the regulator before starting? Yeah, we know about that already. All right. Let's
Well, unless you want to run it for like a quick second, see if it will even
let's see.
start, and then cut it off real quick.
yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can get it started real quick. So let's come back over on this side here. So let's see, we have the on off, so we turn it to on. Wow, it's got so many, look, it's got 10, 8, 9, 8, 11. Okay, where's steps 1, 2, 3, and 4? It's got all these little numbers here to tell you what to do. Gasoline is highly flammable. Yes, we know that. Read owner's manual. We don't have it. Start engine. So you turn number 8 to on. That is the choke. Pull the choke out. We have pull over engine and then put the choke in. All right, I'm going to come over here and hold the machine. Go ahead and pull it over. Turn it back on. Turn it back on for a second. Go ahead. Start that. Put the choke in. All right, go settle down. Obviously, there is nothing wrong with this machine. The gas smells weak, but it doesn't work. We're going to get some water hooked up to it, and let's see if the pump works. So we will be right back. Okay, so we have the water hooked up. It appears that it was a red nozzle, but I have the other nozzles from my other pressure washer. So this is a 15-degree jet. I went ahead and changed that because I didn't want the straight one. So he's going to try to pressure wash off the Suburban here. Okay, go ahead and pull the trigger. Give it. Just had a little air pocket in it because we've got like a 50-foot hose hooked up to the machine. Now let it sit for a second. There you go. It just has a bunch of air in the hose. Looks like the pump might have a little bit of a leak. You know, they might have left water in it and it froze in the pump, but it doesn't seem to be affecting it at all. Maybe it's just an O-ring or something. We might take that apart and look at it later. But so far, free on the side of the road. With a sign on it says free. With the edger, people throw away stuff. I know that's probably a pretty expensive Honda pressure washer. How much do you think the pressure washer costs? Probably $350. Probably more than that. I bet you that was more than that. I don't know how much these go for, but they're probably pretty expensive. All right, everybody, I'll let this one go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner right there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my and more videos.